Yo, what's up guys? It's Jared Teller from To Stay in Shape. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to teach you the easiest and effective way to build muscle, alright? So if you want a physique like this, alright, I'm going to teach you how I build muscle and how it has helped me for many years. If you want to learn more, stay tuned. Alright, so before I talk about how to build muscle, I just need to inform you that you need to follow me on Instagram, alright? I'm posting some incredible content that you're going to be fascinated about, okay? I'm doing handstands, backflips, front levers, back levers. I'm jumping like 50 feet, well not 50 feet, but 50 inches in the air, alright? I'm doing some six-pack exercises that you did not see before, okay? I'm just doing incredible things that I know that will benefit you, okay? So make sure after you watch this video, you follow me on Instagram, okay? You won't be disappointed. It's at To Stay in Shape. So the $1 million question is how to build muscle. I've been asked this so many times, all right? I mean, I would like at the stores, at my workplace, in the comment section on YouTube, I mean, everywhere. In a way, I'm kind of flattered by it because it must mean that I look good, all right? So I'm very thankful for that. It took me hard work and years to accomplish this physique, all right? It's not gonna happen overnight. It takes time, okay? It really does, all right? But if you want it really bad, I know that you will stick to it no matter how long it takes, all right? So let me tell you how I discovered the true way to build muscle, okay? So to start off, when I first started to exercise to build muscle, all right, you know how you're always taught to consume a vast amount of protein in order to build muscle, all right? Of course you need protein to build muscle, all right, but not no 50 to 125 grams a day, all right, for the average person. Now, if you're an athlete, then yeah, you need that much protein and so forth. You need about say 1 pound of protein for every pound that you weigh, all right, for athletes only. But for an average person like us, all right, we don't need that much protein, okay? I think for men we need about, I think it's like 30 grams, and for women it's like 20 grams, you know, don't quote me on that, but it's just significantly lower compared to the athletes, all right? So when I first started, I consumed a lot of whey protein. You might heard of GNC protein, the whey protein that comes in the red package. I purchased that, right, the 5-pound bag, and I will consume about, I don't know, 80 grams of protein a day, even the days that I didn't work out, all right? So I was consuming a lot of protein, all right? The second mistake that I did was that I started to lift heavy weights, all right, with low reps and low sets too. The reason I did this because we've been taught that we need to lift very heavy to build muscle. That's true in a way, all right, but the way that I went to perform this was I took too heavy weight, all right, and I could just do say 1 to 2 reps, all right. See, when you do it that way, when you use that method, you're only working on strength. You're not really working on building muscle, all right. So that was the second mistake that I did. I lift too heavy with low reps. And the third mistake that I did was I didn't rest well, all right. I would go to the gym, all right, and then when I came back from the gym, I would still stay up late because I would go to the gym like around 8 p.m., come back around 10 p.m., all right, then I'll go to sleep like at 3 a.m., all right, then I have to be at work at 7 a.m. So that equates to just 4 hours of sleep. And from what I know now, all right, the true way to build muscle is that you need a sufficient amount of sleep. You need about 8 to 10 hours of sleep to build muscle, because the body repairs the muscles that's damaged and makes them bigger only when you sleep, all right? So you need to sleep in order to make your muscles grow, all right? So that was the 3 things that I did that wasn't helped me to build muscle. It hindered me from building muscle, all right? So when I started to research, all right, I discovered that the true way to build muscle is that you need to increase your reps, all right, your reps and sets, okay? Now what I do is that I do more reps, say 10 to 12 reps, and more sets. I would do 3 to 4 sets, all right? But when I'm performing the 10 to 12 reps, I would make sure that I choose a weight that makes it hard for me to perform the 10 to 12 reps, all right? So I'm talking about like 8, 9, 10, like like that amount of weight, that makes it very hard, and I really have to strain to accomplish those 10 to 12 reps. All right, now if you're performing the 10 to 12 reps real easy and fast, then you're not going to build muscle that way. See, to build muscle, you need to tear the muscle in micro pieces, all right? And then when you go to sleep, the body repairs itself, all right? It makes the muscle stronger, and it makes it stronger to the point where you could perform the exercise that you did prior to you going to sleep. So it has to get bigger to get stronger, all right? And to have more endurance, all right? More stamina, all right? So you need to make sure that you're working, your intensity level when performing these exercises is very high. It can't be low, all right? So you need to make sure that you choose a weight. Like I would say choose a weight that's about 60 to 70% of your maximum weight, all right? That is a good range, all right, to tear the muscle in micro pieces in order for it to repair and grow bigger. That is the first thing that you need to do. Choose a weight that will challenge you to reach those 10 to 12 reps, all right? Now the second thing that you need to do, all right, is do compound exercises, all right? Compound exercises is an exercise that includes, all right, multiple muscles at once, all right? Now see, isolated exercise is like a bicep curl, all right? You're only working out your bicep. A compound exercise is something like a pull-up where you're working, all right, multiple muscles like the shoulder, your biceps, all right, your forearm, your upper back, your lats back here, just multiple muscles compared to just one muscle, okay? And the result of that is that you're going to increase the muscle mass within your body much faster, okay? Also, it increases your testosterone, all right? Testosterone is linked to your muscle growth, all right? In order to increase the muscle mass, you need testosterone. Also, testosterone is good for your sex life, all right? It makes you strong, if you know what this means, like, get it? But really, all right, so yeah. So you need to make sure that you're doing compound exercises. The top 3 compound exercises that I did to help me build muscle, all right, is the squat. All right, I love doing squats. The deadlifts I don't really like doing because it's so hard, but it's very beneficial, all right? That works out like almost your entire body. All right, so yeah, the deadlifts. And the third exercise that I like to do is the bench press, okay? So the squats, the deadlifts, and the bench press, all right? Those, well, you know what, let's add one more into it, okay? The fourth one that I like to do also is the pull-up, all right? So I like to do the squats, the deadlifts, the bench press, and pull-ups, all right? Those are really the top 4 exercises, compound exercises that I did, all right, to help me build muscle at a faster pace. So make sure that you perform those compound exercises to build muscle, all right, much faster. Now, the third thing that I did was I started to sleep 8 hours a day, all right? And let me tell you guys, all right, it transformed my life, all right? I woke up feeling like a whole new, brand new person. I was full of energy. I started to have mental clarity, all right? And also the best part is that every week, all right, I started to see my muscle mass increase at an accelerated pace, all right? So I was like, you know what? Sleeping is very beneficial to building muscle mass. So let me sleep more, all right? And when I did sleep 8 hours a day, yeah, it really helped me out so much, all right? So basically, those are the only 3 things that I started to do to build muscle, all right? Now, you guys might be thinking, how to lose weight, all right? Well, basically, see, that's a whole new different topic, which I'm gonna talk to you about in my next video, all right? But in this video, I just wanted to talk to you about the 3 things that I did to build muscle, all right? So guys, just follow these 3 steps, these 3 tips, and I guarantee you that you will see an increase in muscle mass. If you have any questions or if you need help to adjust your schedule or routine to help you accomplish your fitness goals, then just leave comments down below and I'll be glad to respond to it, all right? Also, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you have not, all right? Because I'm posting some incredible content that I know you will love, all right, tutorials that I know you will love. So make sure you subscribe and follow me. Remember, follow me on IG too, okay? And I hope you like this video, guys, and I'll see you next time. Peace.